Muffle furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1800 degrees Celsius. Dimensions from 1 up to 200 liters. Rugged and durable construction. Outer casing is made up, thick mild steel, with duly powder-coated or thick buffed stainless steel, gives long service life with extremely resistant. Multi-layer insulation with vacuum-formed ceramic or refractory bricks with low thermal mass. Tube furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1800 degrees Celsius. Available in horizontal operation, vertical operation, universal operation. Compact design for minimum space requirement. Rugged and durable construction. Outer casing is made up, thick mild steel with duly powder-coated or thick buffed stainless steel. Split tube furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1500 degrees Celsius. Available in horizontal operation, vertical operation, universal operation. Furnace split into two halves. Accelerate cooling of furnace and tube by opening hinges casing. Compact design for minimum space requirement. Rugged and durable construction. Rocking furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1300 degrees Celsius. Designed for heating or melting to get more uniform reaction. The rocking stage can set rocking frequency and time for automatically running. Compact design for minimum space requirement. Rugged and durable construction. Crystal growth furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1500 degrees Celsius. The Bridgman method uses that sample moves slowly through a temperature gradient in vertical tubular furnace. The melted material moves through a decreasing temperature gradient and forms a single crystal. Top loading furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1450 degrees Celsius. Available in various capacity, from 3 liters to 250 liters. As the name states itself, top loading furnaces are made vertical heating chambers where material or crucible is put from top. Furnaces are particularly suited for applications involving tall crucibles and heavy components. Top cover allows better heat shielding and more uniform heating area. Vacuum furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1800 degrees Celsius. Depending upon application, a tube furnace can be designed in many sizes and shapes. Most commonly, these units are classified as horizontal tube furnace, vertical tube furnace, horizontal split tube furnace, vertical split tube furnace, muffle cum tube furnace. Compact design for minimum space requirement. CVD furnaces. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1200 degrees Celsius. The CVD furnace workstation consists split tube furnace, a precision mass low gas control station, a high vacuum station, and other assembling parts. The mass flow gas control station mixes multiple gases together and allows the mixed gas to flow into a fused quartz tube inside the furnace. Processing tube is included, inner diameter of the tube from 40 mm to 150 mm. Muffle cum tube furnace. Maximum operating temperature range up to 1800 degrees Celsius. User can be uses both ways, either muffle or tube furnace. Dimensions from 1 liter up to 27 liters. Compact design for minimum space requirement. Rugged and durable construction. Outer casing is made up, thick mild steel with duly powder coated or thick buffed stainless steel, gives long service life with extremely resistant. Hot air oven. Maximum operating temperature range up to 400 degrees Celsius. Compact design for minimum space requirement. Dimensions from 27 up to 324 liters. Outer casing is made up, thick mild steel, with duly powder coated. Interior chamber is fabricated of stainless steel with matte finish. Chamber is provided with effective air circulation system for uniform temperature.
Ohmtech Systems, Devlops and Manufastures, Furnaces Systems.